Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It must be to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, lower control arms, getting his front end all together. So, big thanks to Brad. Stopped by to check it out and then helped me out with it as well. So, without a second person, I definitely went up and get that up on myself. Had two jacks. That thing is heavy. You know, I was slipping off the jack. So, big thanks to him on that. So now I got to tighten down the upper ball joint, lower ball joints, pull the old ones out, and then get the spindle and everything on. So there we go. So start working on this, getting that tightened, and I'll be right. Oh, so we're back in here again. So last night, hit up my boy Tobias. Answered late last night. And I'm having to cut the spring. It's too much. He made obviously trying to cram it in there right now. So by the time you hit the switches, it's gonna bust the ball joint. So shorten it down. Took pretty much, what I want to say, 2 coils out. So just got done cutting the driver's side. So we'll stack them next to make sure I got the right height. I cut that one last night. I was cutting half a coil. You know what? I'm gonna cut half. I'm gonna cut half. You know, I haven't cut 2. So we got them even, identical. So y'all see that? So this side, I already know this one fits in here. Did it last night. So I just gotta get this other control arm in, and then we'll be good. So late night. Big thanks to Brad. Big thanks to Tobias. I got Tim on the way to help me get this other side up. Brad had me get the other side in, so he's not home right now that I know of. So I said Tim will be down here shortly to help me throw this thing in on the other side. Get that together, and then voila. Those even look identical. Look at that. Bing. You count on when you call them, they answer. Got those together now. So, show y'all what it look like here momentarily. All right, back again. So that side's on. Beautiful, man. That side's on. Let me get pressure off this jack. Had to bump it up there. Help me slide it up on there. There she is, both sides. I just gotta start working on everything else, getting everything else put back together. Shoot. I'm debating on doing the steering links and tie rods and all this stuff. I might not, who knows. Might send them off and get powder coated. You never know. But yeah, there she is. Big thanks to Tobias. Big thanks to Brad. Thanks to, man. Big thanks to everybody who's been helping me out with this. Without y'all, I can't even get this far. One man by myself trying to do this, man. Hey, it's good to have good friends, good neighbors. So next, we'll start working on the rear. Still waiting on my boy Medina. So we gotta cut the squares up for the trunk to get the base for the racks to go in. So I'm gonna stop this video here. So anyway, till next time, keep macking. Peace.